Okay, so today we went to the park and we got there and this thing was closed. And me and my husband can go here, and because the park was never closed, it's always open. So we don't understand why it was closed. Well, to figure it out, it was from the Overland Police Department that closed it down. And it's 40 degrees outside and it's very cold to be walking. And so that is our Friday. We had a really good day today.
Yes, we did.
And this is our dog, Ruru. Say hi, Ruru. Ruru. Check out. That's our dog, Ruru. So I hope you guys like this video. It's our first time. So, love ya. Bye.